Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's tutorial I'm going to be creating a look that I have been obsessed with lately, and it is this chunky glitter eye look. It is so gorgeous, as you can see, and it's so easy to do. I'll be showing it to you in the video, and just keep watching till the end to know how I got the look. So first I have primed my eyelid. I've used a concealer. Use a little lighter shade of concealer so that the eyeshadows pop out really well. I have applied the concealer and I'm blending it out. For today's look, I'm using the Doe Colors eyeshadow palette, the Doe Color Neon eyeshadow palette. I'm using the blue shade. You can take any shade you want. You can take pink, purple, green, orange, red, whatever you want, whichever is suiting you according to your outfit or whatever it is, and apply it on the outer corner, just dabbing the product out in my outer corner like that, and I'm just gradually blending it inside towards my inner corner, just like that. Just pack the eyeshadow and then later you can just blend it out, but make sure you leave a little empty space in between your eyebrow and the eyeshadow. Just, you can see the area below my eyebrow. It should look something like that so that it doesn't look messy or very weird. It looks like that, so I'm just keeping a space in between. And then now I have started blending using a blending brush. You can use a good blending brush and blend it in circular motions. This is how it must be looking like in the end. You can see it goes outer corner, it is dark, and it goes to the lighter shade towards your inner corner, so it must be like that. Now I'm using this glitter palette. I had got this from the Shein app and it was so cheap, and I just wanted to try it, and you guys, it is so good. I am in love with this palette. It's really so good. The glitters, they stick on very well and it's not so harsh or anything. I'm using a flat brush and grabbing this glitter from the palette called Run to You, and I'm just packing on my outer corner or my lid, but I'm not going to be extending it to the outer corner. I'll just keep it in front till the half of my lid. As you guys can see, it's sticking on really well and it doesn't even come off soon until you remove it, and the palette is so good. But the palette is no longer available on the Shein app. I don't know why they have removed it. I think because of the new She Glam products, they have removed all the previous makeup stuff. Now I'm using the same blue shade I used above for my lower lash line and blending out everything really nicely, the lower lash line along with the outer corner. Now going in for the mascara, I'm using Huda Beauty's Legit Lash Mascara and applying some good falsies and highlighting my inner corner and brow bone. And this is how it looks like at the end. It was so effortless yet so good, so glamorous, and it looks really stunning. It was just so simple, just applying a little matte eyeshadow on the outer corner and applying some good glitter. You can use any good glitter if you have, since the palette is out of stock and it's just not there anymore anywhere. I really love this look and I hope you guys also loved it and enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until next time, bye.